Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to download 3D Pokemon game. All right, so here's a disclaimer, okay? So y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all straight. You need Pokemon Red, Blue, or Yellow, okay? You're gonna need the game. You're gonna need to flash it to your computer, you know, get it from your Game Boy, flash the ROM, the random open memory, all that good stuff, right? So once you get it onto your computer, however way you get it, well, you should get it from your device. Once you get it, make sure you have the file, okay, in your ROM folder, okay. Make sure you have it installed here, download it, and ready to go. Once you have that ready, I'm going to put both links in the description below. Definitely check them out. The first one you're going to download is the Gen 1 Recomp. Yo, shout out to Native Love 2D, this whole entire group, Brian the Boy, all of them. Yo, shout out to y'all for this. Definitely legendary. Check it out. Check out their videos. Shout them out. Do what you need to do because this is revolutionary. Okay, so the link in the description below. Make sure you go to here, okay, and then you hit releases. All right, and then you're going to hit download. Okay, so the one you're going to download, if you're on Windows, you're going to download here. They have one for iOS, Android, and so on and so forth. Switch. We're going to download it for Windows. Download the zip file here. Okay, it's going to download there. All right, and then once you download that, you're good. Okay, so then I'm going to have another link in the description below. This is the mod to make the actual Pokemon game 3D. Okay, so we're going to knock this out one way or another. Okay, shouts out to Dramatic Shape for creating the mod with this amazing first mod with the Pokemon game here. And we're going to use Pokemon Red. That's the only version I have. So we're going to use Pokemon Red. And once you do that, you're going to go to releases again. All right, and then you're gonna go to download again the zip file here. Okay, so you're gonna download the zip file. Okay, so that's good. After that, open your downloads folder. Okay, and once you do that, you're gonna want to, oh, they updated since last time. You're gonna want to you're gonna want to All right, you're going to want to open the zip folder here to Gen 1, extract all, of course, extract it wherever you want to extract it to. All right, you can open it up, and this is Gen 1 Recomp, okay? You can open it up. This is the program that's going to make your actual app run. If it says, you're getting, let the virus run, okay? Run it anyway. Let the virus run. Okay, there you go. So now it's on your computer. Your computer's getting affected. Say, nah, yo, please don't skip. No, I'm joking. No, but so I already have it here, Pokemon Red, GB. Yours should be the same, but if you don't have it, okay, whichever one you have, red, blue, or yellow, okay. Yellow's an alpha because Pikachu is too OP. All right, red, you go to import ROM, which is your game. You're gonna go to your file, okay, and then you're gonna go here and add it to your actual game, and you should be good. So we'll just add it here. All right, it's going to figure it out, confirm it's a real game, all that cool stuff. Yep, so now it's there, it's good there. And then before you start it up, we're going to go to the mod here. Okay, hit the puzzle piece, and here you go. So now we have to add the mod to the actual mod folder. Okay, so you're gonna import the mod.zip. All right, so once you do that, you're gonna go back to your downloads folder where you downloaded the zip folder. And then you're gonna go to the Dramatic Shape, John. You're gonna open it, and now it just installed the 3D aspect of Pokemon. Remember, if you don't do this step, you're not gonna be in 3D land. Okay, so after that, you can hit play. And there you go. Now you are on here. Yeah, Boys Club Games. Thank you so much for this. This is freaking awesome. Let me just click through this real quick. All right, make sure you go to your options. And in order to turn the 3D on, okay, you have to go to Voltex and make sure it's fully on. Okay, it's fully on already. Okay, so that means it's on. You can even turn on AA if you want to. VR is insane. They have window mode. I'm in window mode right now. All right, let's just let's just start this up. Look at that full screen. All right, I'm just gonna, please ignore me. All right, I'm just clicking through everything here. You can use a controller, by the way, too, I think. If not, I'll make a video. All right, and here, I should be working. All right, my name is Aaron. All right, there we go. We're on Pokemon Legend. Cool. All right, Pokemon. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. All right, there we go. In this 3D land. Okay, it's pretty dope how it's already going on here. Okay, so once you're on here, you can go to the options and you can change it up right here. So if you want to go back to back to normal, boom, back to 3D land, back to 2D land. All right. Turn it back on. I don't even know what this is. This is like kinda. See, you gotta really sit back. Yeah, you gotta sit back and like play with yeah, this is insane. You gotta play with the stuff. Like, I'm not first one No, they got it in first person mode. They need to quit it. No, is that mom's? You can talk to her. Oh no. All right, well, this is crazy. Like I said, this is how you do it. Have fun. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking about Pokemon. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see y'all on the next video. All right. All right. Peace.